We're told there are 45 people going on a hike along a forest trail. They split themselves equally into teams of 5 to walk together. How many hiking teams will there be? So like always, pause this video. Try this on your own before we do this together. Okay, so let's first just think about what one team of hikers would look like. So that's 5 stick figures to represent the 5 people in one team. So this is one team, and actually let me make a little columns here. So let me say that's team 1, and then let's see the total number of hikers. So right now we have a total of 5 hikers. Now let's add a second team. So we'll call that, now we have 2 teams, and how many total hikers do we have? 5 plus 5, we now have 10 hikers. Let's keep doing this. We now could add a third team. And how many total hikers do we have? We now have a total of 15. And so this column right over here, this is total right over there. Let us keep going. We got another team. We now have 4 teams for a total of 20 hikers. We can add a 5th team. Now if we add 5 to that, we have 25 hikers. Now we can add a 6th team. Gets us to 30 hikers. Notice I'm just adding 5 every time. Then we can get to a 7th team. And I'm just going to keep adding 5 hikers until I get to the 45. So now I get to 35. You might already see where this is going. 8 teams gets us to 40. Not a coincidence. 8 times 5 is 40. And then we add 5 more. That's a 9th team. We get to 45 hikers. And that makes sense because 9 times 5 is 45. And so the answer is, how many hiking teams will there be? 9. Another way to think about it is, if you take 45 hikers and you divide them into teams of 5, then you are going to get 9 teams.